Thank you for watching our previous video. Today I will show you guys how to use one paper to make a picture of a cross and Jesus show us love on this cross and make two words to show you.
First, use one A4 paper, then fold it diagonally. Then fold it again. Then fold it along the central line. Now, use the short side to divide into 3 equal parts. Fold it to the second line so that the rest of the area is equal. We finished folding. It's so easy, isn't it? After this, we need to use scissors. The folded part, we also divide the right-hand side area to 3 equal parts and cut one part off. It is more difficult to cut as we approach the top because the top part is thicker. It has more layers of paper and it's harder to cut. After we finish cut, we can unfold the paper now. A cross appeared now. Is it awesome? The paper which was cut off. We will use it later to show a miracle. Before we disclose the miracle, we will draw Jesus on the cross. Let's start with Jesus' eyes, then nose and mouth, then cheek and beard and hair. It is the thorn crown. Then Jesus' arms draw 2 huge nails. Then it is Jesus' body, legs, and the big nails on his feet. On the arms and body, we draw some whipped mark. We drew some shadow around Jesus' body. Finally, we draw the texture of the wood of the cross. Jesus died on the cross to save us. The picture is done. Now we use the cross that we draw and the rest of the material from our earlier cutting. Together, let's witness a miracle.
First, L, O, and V, and E. I guess you guys know what the word is. Because have Jesus, so we can have that. Also, L, I, F, E. And everyday Jesus in our lives. Happy Easter, and remember, Jesus saved us, used his life. Please subscribe and click the bell. Please give our comment below to tell us what thing you want us to join in the future. So see you next time. Bye.